In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today, I'm really excited to share with you this tutorial that will show you how to do a half double crochet stitch. Now, for this tutorial, you will need yarn, of course. I'll be using Red Heart Super Saver yarn in the color white. You'll also need a crochet hook. I'll be using a size letter I. You'll also need a pair of scissors. Well, it's time to roll up my sleeves just a tad, and let's go ahead and get crocheting now. So we're going to get started with learning how to do a half double crochet stitch. And I have this sample piece right here of what a half double crochet stitch will look like when you do a couple of rows. In order to do this stitch, you would need to know how to chain. So if you need a refresher on how to chain, I'll put a video up here somewhere. So I'm going to get some yarn out. And we're going to go ahead and start with a slip knot. A half double crochet stitch is in between a single crochet and a double crochet. So it uses the same steps of what you're going to do for a double crochet, except you're not going to do it all the way. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I mean. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a slip knot. Okay, and we're going to chain, let's go ahead and chain 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so there's our 22 chains. So we're going to go into the second chain from the hook, and we're going to put a half double crochet in there. So let me show you exactly what we're going to do. We're going to yarn over just like we would have done if we were doing a double crochet. We're going to insert our hook up under the 2 loops, the little V, and just like a double crochet, we're going to pull that yarn through. So 1, 2, 3 loops is on our hook. So if we were going to do a double crochet, we will yarn over and then we will pull through 2. But because this is a half double crochet, you're going to actually pull through all 3 of those loops. Okay? So let's go ahead and do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next space. Pull your yarn through. 3 loops is on your hook. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, and you're going to pull through all 3 of those loops. That is a half double crochet. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook in. Pull your yarn through. 1, 2, 3. 3 loops is on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay? So let's continue to practice doing these half double crochets. And when you get to the end, I will meet you there and I'll show you how to do the next row. So here is our first row of half double crochet stitches. So let's go ahead and add another row. Chain 2 and turn your work. I'm gonna move the tail out the way. Okay, So now what we're going to do is work in each one of these spaces a half double crochet. So let's do that now. What do? We yarn over, insert our hook into the chain space, pull up. 3 loops is on our hook. Yarn over, and we're going to pull through all 3 loops. Okay? Let's do that again for this next chain space. Yarn over, insert our hook into the next chain space, pull up. 1, 2, 3 loops is on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Okay? So let's do that one more time. Yarn over, insert our hook into the chain space, pull up. 1, 2, 3 loops is on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. And that is a half double crochet. Continue doing this half double crochet stitch over and over and over again. Remember, practice makes perfect. So do row after row after row after row. When you feel as though you have it down pat, do some more. It doesn't hurt. Again, practice makes perfect. And when you feel that you have mastered this half double crochet stitch, then I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.